Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to allocate deposits in the desktop app after the electronic bank statement has been imported. Let's show you how to allocate deposits/receipts. After importing your bank statement and the deposit and check batches were created, you can start to allocate the deposits transactions into your auxiliary cash books and ledger accounts. After you've logged into the desktop app, go into the Financials module from the navigator. Once you're logged in, click on the cash books in the top left corner. Ensure that you have the correct cash book selected. Click on the Deposits button, which is indicated by a money bag icon. Select Existing Batches option, where you will find a list of your batches below. Ensure that you select the correct batch by looking at its description or by right-clicking on it and select to view it. There is also the option to delete a batch. Click on the OK button to continue. The document number is automatically created. The action will indicate which type of allocation it is. Working with the normal action first, we can see that this payment received/deposit is from a patient and we want to allocate it to a cash book in the ledger column. Patient action is when you allocate the patient directly to the patient, which again, if the receipts has not yet been captured into their account from the diary/medapes modules. Otherwise, the receipt will be captured twice, which needs to be corrected. The medical aid action is when you allocate the payment directly to a medical aid. The creditor action is when a creditor pays directly to you. And then the split action is used when more than one account or ledger is being assigned to. We will allocate this receipt to the auxiliary cash book in order to reconcile and ensure that all receipts/deposits have been captured on the patient's accounts and banked into the bank account or petty cash. Now, from our auxiliary cash book, we can allocate the payments to the correct patients or medical aids if the receipts have not yet been captured into the accounts from the diary/medapes modules. With our example, we will be selecting different cash books for the different receipt transactions. For instance, electronic receipts are allocated to Cash 3, cash receipts are allocated to Cash 1, card receipts to Cash 2, and medical aid receipts to Cash 4. By the time that the bank has been allocated, the patient's receipt will already be captured in the auxiliary cash book in order to be reconciled with the payment from the bank. To allocate all transactions to the same cash book, click on the Options button below and select the Ledger Account on All Transactions option. Click on the Exit and Post buttons once you're happy with the batch. Otherwise, click on the Exit and Save button to continue with the batch later on. The Exit and Cancel button will delete the batch. And the Return to Batch button will take you back to the previous screen.